namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel nomdlovu koze takhela la Jim the Caterpillar Man of War yi nga suka kusuka mani na Dr. Joshi Rimani. Hayi even then emakume ta khi hetela hi J John. Yeah, so ka sungula of course ra the 17th of October no hlamala mina iso kusuka ka page ra GB the Caterpillar Man of War ku ve na a live man. I don't know ku you real Man of War because ni vona ku ri busy blind la man.
Baranzi wa Man of War vatukulu va bohemela Dzavana magaza ka hina ma vona ku basa swin'wanyana leswi vanhu vo tala ka mi nga twisiseki mo tala mi le ku ri mi swi bela mavoko hambi mi kha mi swi vona ku swilo leswiwana swi ri swona ma vona ma la ku hemba and ale music ya change kusuka ka vo Thomas Chauke khale before ba Dr. Thomas Chauke a ku ri na vo Banda 6 swi ya music yi cinca vo HW Makubelo hi ya swi ya vo Thomas Chauke hi ya swi ya vo Matshwabe Muda swi ya va Dr. Joshi Rimani vo Tibabena vo Beni hinkwaswo swilo leswiya swi ya ka music leyi ya ximanguva lawa leyi va ko ya ma 2000 loko yo yi langutisa kahle music leyi kusukela endzhaku hi ta fikela ka music leyi va vulaka yo va ngo ya ma 2000 mi ta swi vona ku na different yikulukumba ku ri hi suka ka timitsu ta Xitsonga and we going to ximanguvanyana lawa lexi hi nga ta ku na ku tinqambi ta ku tiyimbelela they are not even pushing more Xitsonga in terms of mongo na marito ya Xitsonga hi ku hi ma 2000 ku na ti-legend tin'wani ti belaka mavoko and all those things kumbe lava belaka mavoko ku fana va Joshi Rimani. You know, you can't promote something which is you were born from ku ri kahle khale tswariwe khale ngopfu hambi munhu o ni khomisa ni yisa khoto tswariwe khale ngopfu ka Xitsonga xidzi no duka swa ku phewa swa manguva lawa swa ma 2000 hi vulavula hi ku vanhu va hosi loko ku ri ku swilo swi famba hi ti-generation swi tsandza kwini ku vanhu va teka tintambu va ti cukumeta veka hansi nge ziwa hala ku famba hala ku ti manyamanya na swihlanginyana nge ziwa hala ku ti manya
yeah, okay, Man of War ya mahlweni kona Man of War yi na a valid point very ya swilo swo ku cinca na timhaka ta mongo but the point which Man of War ni twina ku i loko yimiseni is because music ku ndleliwa mali so swi loko hi langutisa hi very so hi fike hi languta se hi nga judge ngopfu hi timhaka to yes swilo swa va ma-2K swi tele va dali swo tala in most cases hi fike hi twisa timhaka to music ku ndleliwa mali so swi loko hi ku voka va Dr. Joshi Rimani swi nga kha swi vula ku hala ka ndzumba va twa va nga ri ku endleni ka mali you see so ve le ku zameni ku va va ya hala ka ma-2K with the hopes yo maybe va nga kota ku va va endla mali ka that genre in overall leswi ni swi twisaka xiswona so swi leswi loko hi swi languta it's all about money man of which hi nge va judge because music ku ndleliwa mali khari ya music ku ndleliwa yo mali to ku ndleliwa hi swin'wana loko va teka ntambu va dya hi swin'wana. You see, yes, ka previous video of course hi swi cover ni ku vandla hi swin'wana but ho vula ku mara hala ka music mali yi va yi tele in overall ma vona mhaka leyi hi leswo
na swihlanginyana munhu is pushing his agenda because his children's beleka that va kwala ka ma 2000 you won't even promote something which is it's out of your league. Just get out and sit down. Get out and sit down. And look at the moon, I'm just saying loko munhu a vona ya ku swo karhi swi out of your league, you sit down tshikela van'wana nge promote music wa ma 2000 ta job music wa ma 2000 u ta aka Xitsonga xa ka hina you're legend, you promoting something which is you can even see the artist ta kole ta ma 2000 they don't even know marita Xitsonga, they are not even promoting that marita Xitsonga. Can't you even see ku Xitsonga xa ka hina xi le ku lahlekeni hi vala va mthandeni You can even, yes, the instrument are change, mara tinkatara ti kwalaya, ku ri line ya Xizulu yi kwalaya, maskandi is there. You wouldn't just promote something which is out of line, out of your league, and then you are promoting because your children are there on those things. Doesn't sound like strong shit. And I say, I'm not saying ma 2000 no. I'm talking about the shit song that means that song shit. It's not there. It's not in that way.
A kona vhevhe loko hi languta nhova loko ku na tilayini to karhi mi kuma ku leti i tilayini leti fambaka hi layini ya sayiti ri hala ka vundzumba yena sort of I guess so hi ku loko ni languta vhevhe swi nga kombisa na vakhalekhalani va tivi na vo Madyaku okay hi ngo famba hi layini ya va Madyaku bomba hi famba hi ku Dr Thomas Chauke HW Makhubele hi tlula nhova loko se ku nghena layini ya vo sasekisa a ku ri sayiti ra ti-remix musi leswi va tshitsa mara nhova loko leswi a ku va ku ri layini yo nyanyula then ku tlhela ku na layini leyin'wana ya Dr Thomas Chauke even then swi hindza swi nghena ka disco yona disco a yi ri kona ho vuriwa yi ri kona vo general swi fambisa sweswiya swi nghena hi sayiti ra Ndzumba so kahlekahle ni nga vula ku sweswi ku laveka layini leyi nga ta replace Ndzumba I think the challenge sweswi ku a hi size hi va na layini leyi nga ta replace Ndzumba hi ku Ndzumba yi fike yi replace ti-guitar so ku laveka layini yo karhi yi nga ta replace Ndzumba so swa ti-remix swi nge pfuki sukuyini vhele so tanihi sweswi hi nga swi vula hi sayiti ra dokodela legend ku lava ku endliwa mali ku lava ku endliwa mali a redzi
It's not that deep. It's not that deep. We are talking about Xitsonga, we are talking about Xizulu. You want to be a doctor, a legend, and you still promoting or you move from. That's what I'm saying. Do something. Do something. That's what I'm going to say. I'm going to play the croc. The croc. You can't even like you want to promote something which is you can even see it's not on your league. It's not on your league. Ben Mayangana ba paying na Mr. Postlo wakaba pusha smart song. Mr. Postlo one itela a stood. Ku ya pusha song lexi xitibaka. Song lexi vanhu vo tala va xitibaka va xirandzaka. Yes, munhu a nga tirha na ma 2000 and whatever, mara you won't be a legend wa la promota swilo leswi na swi vonaka swa fana va ti-necklace na ti-nopisi let us be fair. We are talking about the tradition here. You won't be a legend wa la ku famba wa promota na swilo swin'wana swa out. Step down.
mara menofo a ni ri swi vhele obvious chinge timhaka ta va I mean like Metro Beats a ni twi na ku yena luwa in by far ni twi na ku layini ya yena yi va yi ri na tin'wana ti-tracks va ti na message in overall ni twi na ku ya layini ya yena yi a bit good loko ri mpela hi vulavula hi sayiti ra message in overall ni nga vula tani ni twi na ku swin'wana swi hetelela swi va swi na mongo and stuff like that and then the other individual a kha n'wi promoter la it's this one Rosa ni twi na ku tin'wana ti na message la ti-track so mhenga ya mina u fanele ku yi twiseni kahle ngopfu la ku lala ntiyiso loko ri mpela hi fike hi lala ngopfu message ngopfu ya hluphanyana koku mara in overall line liya yes ya ma 2K yi va yi kha yi tale leswi swi ya swo nyeketa I agree in overall because the leaders leti nga henhla vhele ti va ti ri line ya liya yo nyeketa okay swa hluphanyana
That's why munhu wa fana na Josh Manan blocking is because of ni vikeni ya comment if you can't beat them join them now munhu va join in mara un blocking you understand what I'm trying to say because mina ni mavonela kule I'm not saying ku ri ximanguva lawa xi cinca ximanguva lawa music wa change so vanhu va fana na va Josh man they are busy pushing the agenda ya ku vana va yevele ka that genre ma 2000 you stay away man like really so irritate like I'm a 2000 hinkwenu hambi munhu ni yisa court ani khomisa I'm not it's a legend Josh man is our legend ungasayela ku mina betela mavoko ngakho amsiboni lo vanhu va karhele va step down music is entertainment I'm talking about entertainment we have a freedom of speech in this country I'm not speaking bad about Joe Sherman. What I'm saying now, Joe Shirmani, you know very well good music. Soma 2000 is out of our tradition. It's not promoting our tradition deeply. You know very well. Yes. You can even see those guys, they are quoting, but the rest, the BVD, and you guys, you are a legend, legend from the history of the you are promoting something which is out because of, you know, that there is an agenda you are pushing, because some of your children are on that type of music. This is she out. Ingazila promoter she out. Go and check Ben Mayengani's album. Go and check Mr. Post's album. Yeah, Mr. Post is ingoma ya 2K. Ya 2K what. Look, check out Ben Mayengani. Song is there. I hate Ben Mayengani. But the guy is doing great. We are talking about those things. In that way. No, it's completely nonsense. Nonsense.
As you've heard, men of four praised Ben Mayengani. So swa ti komba ku beefia kona yo va that personal ngopfu men of yo kha ira ku ti dumela swin'wana loyi zita yi ta n'wi praise ku twisisa this time around ku hayi music wa kha u famba kahle swa ku last time ba yo kwata ngopfu because na ku yi ti i betaka mara ku yi cheka project efe kuma ku na timiliyoni timbirhi so me ba yo kwata ngopfu this time around yi sober minded I guess a yi banga black namuntlha. So yona mhaka leyi complicated, I'm not going to lie, complicated because yes loko hi languta hi ku analyze vele yes hi nga langutanga swa mali yes kona yes afe va nga ni nghenisa ma 2K afe maybe va fika vo produce ntsena but loko se hi swi languta hi side ra mali swi na mali loko a ni loko va collaborate la for example na Metro Beats it means ku na mali yo hlaya yi nga ta yi kha yi nghena hi ti-royalties kwala so ya tika, it's all about money vele so it's a complicated one.
No man, it's a court and it's a court. She's wrong with this. No man, I'm saying, you hear the stronger from Ben Mayengan. You hear the stronger. We must see in a time that we must entertain nonsense. One of our Dr. Joe Shirman, it's legend, really music, about sick. I'm on commissar and I sick, otherwise, I would actually own any Israel. You must get away, you must entertain those nonsense. Nonsense. Shabam Konyof, Mafana Banyaga the Brugu. They can't even dance Shitonga, and you guys, you are praising those things. One of this guy, Bar Isaila Willie Bush, you can even see in 2000 and in Tongo, but he's pushing stronger. What's more, the guy is doing great, and then he's representing Stibatonga. No God and all those things. Mara guys, let's be fair, man. Come on, guys. You can even see mama's boy. They're just excelling using shine. So, Dr. Joe Sherman, please, you know very well what I'm talking about. 2000, she out of the legal tradition is strong. Because of to promote and the artist is strong, not this nonsense. Come at 2000 now, you can't even dance, you can't even in the job. It's only Zai who's doing great. That's so father says. The guy is doing great.
Vai sabe look push it serious numbers, look push it at a million if we can check a very push it million. So music business. Yes, it sound like 2K obviously and the real one the same way as one very that says at the end that sounded at the end. And the sound at the end it's very obvious. So then getting one sound the remix again, yes. But the it's the way to go. And stuff like that. Thinking overall that in the summary I got men of our good rush show, but they still that side that Dr. Joe Sherman it's complicated.
Fine. But we must encourage them. Man, no fun about Dr. Joshi, man. I'm fun to me promote, man, no fun about Zai. Look, she take a stronger Shama 2000. I'm fun promoter, man, no fun about Zai. The guy is doing great. Although I don't support the guy is doing great. The guy is doing great. He's promoting our tradition. This and because the broke.
Hey.
Yes, I don't want to lie. J. John is look, that guy, yes, he is 2000 in Bellam is 2000. Maramar strong, you know, you can hear the stronger inside. Not that guys, come on, man, come on.
Man of I should do it's a difficult one. It's a difficult one. I mean, the comment below me on something, guys. Many anti-things need to do and stuff like that. Yeah, so of course, that came to J. John, on and of course, of course, at the 17th of October. Yeah, I think we can get a comment and whether, yeah, I think I'm going to comment. You're going to notify about the Teosho J. John session de Shamadimba, session de Shamadimba. So we are yet very to congratulate J. John. Mkuba Trenchon and Tragana Velevel, Miadzunga. So as you can see, like at 3 million views. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. I should push it number that serious of the men and the storyline. Oh. I was going to show you demon like talent link of Allah Chavis because Pella demon. Yeah, demon has got to watch fuse available or to incorporate Zumba not the remix. So I should the original. Because that thing is a storyline. So congratulations to J. John. I the wow, not number of the lovely. It's great, it's great. I read maybe new music again. Sasa ako maka kameno foko ngaba yona because ntuna lokoro so ka shwa msana storyline like this kwa a message and then mafu trigger ka 3 million itlifamba by sound le I read I read swi ta vona ku ta kha swamisa kwini leswi loko ri amukeza swi ska banda komba.
Hello Dr. Stole wa ka wa longa se yindlu xavuni ka zingizingi ya tshama malelani.